Are you tired of the crowded city streets and the constant noise? What if you could trade the traffic for the tranquil sounds of the Albemarle Sound? Welcome to The Shores at Land's End, the best-kept secret in North Carolina coastal living. We're talking about massive waterfront estates, breathtaking views, and a lifestyle that most people only see on postcards. Finding the perfect balance of privacy and community is almost impossible, until now. Nestled in historic Perquimans County, the Shores at Land's End offers something truly rare: beautiful 1 to 4 acre lots. That's right, acres, not feet. You have the room to breathe, the space to build, and a front row seat to the most stunning sunrises in the South. But when it comes to a premier investment like this, you don't just need a realtor. You need an expert who knows this water like the back of her hand. Meet Carole Purser, the broker-owner of CGP Realty. With over 2 decades of experience in professional education and a career dedicated to North Carolina real estate, Carole is the local authority on waterfront living. She doesn't just sell houses, she connects you to a lifestyle. The Shores isn't just a place to live, it's a place to play. Your new life includes a private community pool, a beautiful clubhouse, and specialized parks perfect for bird watching and relaxation. Whether you're launching a boat for a day on the Sound or taking a sunset golf cart ride with neighbors, Carole Purser knows exactly how to help you secure your piece of this paradise. Opportunities like this are disappearing fast. Don't wait for someone else to build your dream. Carole Purser is ready to show you the massive potential of these acreage lots. Call Carole today at 252-337-5010. That's Carole Purser, your bridge to coastal luxury at the Shores at Land's End.